I don't know why it's doing this. If anyone could help, but okay, so I'm in a party, and it says right here that I'm making noise, right? But look, I don't have my mic in. My mic's right here. So I don't know why it does this. Like sometimes it disappears. Ignore the video, but see, like I make noise for no reason. So like, and I've had this very annoying echo. I can't hear it, but my friends can hear it. So if anybody has any explanation at all, that'd be really helpful. So you can tell from the last two videos, I've had a lot of problems with this mic recently. So yeah, there we go.